Martha May Whovier. Of course I get the Icon Ultimate. Used to be called the Icon Box, but now, you know we go for Ultimate. That's what Martha May Whovier always does. Hey, but really, my name's Amber. I'm 49 years old, and Natasha Denona picked out some stuff for me. Natasha, we're friends. We go way back. She sent me a palette. Yucca palette. Y'all, this one is gorgeous. Look at how beautiful. I love the greens and the yellers. I'm definitely going to be using that. Beautiful for fall. So they just switched the names. That's all that's really going on here. You still get the same amount of products. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. Full size. Here's another Natasha product. Thank you, Natasha. This one says Pastel Plexi Glow Highlighter. I always love her packaging. That's gorgeous. Look at it. Oh my God. Martha May loves it. Another Natasha product. I already have gloss on, but this looks like a gloss. Ooh, golden glimmer gloss. That is really pretty. I don't want to put that on right now because I've got red all over. Oh, shimmering lip plumper. See, I never read. And I just put lip plumpers on and then burn my lips and I don't even know. Oh, look at this. She sent me a Laura Mercier. This is Caviar Smoothing Matte Lipstick. Looks like a pretty shade. Matte Blush Chenille. Look at this. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, magnetic. Love it. Tubing Mascara. Persona. Lengthening. Dr. Jart. I've never tried any of their stuff. I've always wanted to. So I'm very excited about that. Sure what this is. Skin Barrier Moisturizing Eye Cream. Ooh, yay. If you're over 40, over 30, you should be using an eye cream. So, Bisha Essential Eye Designer Duo. I'm assuming that it's some sort of eyeliner. They are eyeliners, but they're the felt. Look, there's a black one and a brown. I love a felt liner. 8 Faces Brilliance Serum. Skin Brightener, Lotus, and Vitamin C. All of that sounds lovely. Ooh, that's fun. Look at this. I love this packaging. Looks like a little dropper. Here's the Dr. Jart stuff. Look at this little container. Tell me, do you love this brand? I always hear about it. Never tried it, so I'm very excited about that. Why is it in this little thing? Oh, look how cute. Ooh. Okay. Bristles are kind of like that. That'll be nice. Thank you, IPSY. Love you. So let me know if there's anything you want to see more of. If you have any questions, if you haven't signed up yet, please use my link. Great gift idea. Obviously, you should be doing some holiday shopping soon. And thanks, Natasha. Call me. All right, thanks for watching. My name's Amber Wood, over 40 Makeup Mom. Bye.